Hello guys, welcome to Multiplication in Excel Mania. Today we are going to show you VLOOKUP function in Excel. Suppose we have the database of thousands of students number and name, grade, test score, and we have to retrieve the first name, last name, test score, and the grade. So how are we going to do that? We will show you today. Okay, over here under the last name, you will press equal sign and then write down VLOOKUP. It will come by itself and then go to the end. Open up the bracket. What you have to, which value you have to find out? You have to find out 1024. I'm just taking the example of the first one, 1024, right? You wrote it down and then you have to press comma. You have to select the data, whatever you have it, right? Over here, then you press comma, and you have to find out the last name because we are on the last name right now. So last name is on the first column, second column. This is the second column. We have to press 2 and then comma again. We have to find the exact value. For the exact value, we have to find out the false. And then you press, here you go. And here you have to drag to the first name, test score, and the grade. You can see that, okay, every last name, first name, test score, grade, everything is giving you the same kind of result, worksheet. So what you have to do, you have to come here and double click on it. You can see, first thing you can see is it's changing a little bit highlighted area over here, right? Over here. So what you have to do, you have to go back over here, A5 to E10, and then first name, which column is the first name? Column number 1 over here, column number 2 over here, column number 3 over here. So we have to find the column number 3, and we press over here. The first name comes up, and then we press over here. So we have again the same problem. The highlighted area is going a little bit outside of that data. So you have to just drag it again back over here. And test score is which column? Column number 1, 2, 3, 4. Column number 4 is a test score. We have to find out this column number 4. And you can find out the score, the same score coming up here. And the grade, same problem is going on over here. You have to press it again, drag it back again over here. And which is the column number for the grade? We will find out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Column number 5. You press it over here. For example, you want to find out the 1029, 1029. So over here, you have to again equal sign VLOOKUP. Okay, open up the bracket. Which value you wanna find out? You remember that 1029, comma, and you have to select the data. Go here, comma, again. What column you wanna find out? 1, 2, column number 2, and you wanna find out the exact value, which is false. Press it. The last column comes up here. So that's how you have to find out the VLOOKUP. It's a very strong function in the Excel. A lot on the job, a lot of bosses ask you for the VLOOKUP function or something like that. And on the interview, they ask you for that thing too. And even in the school in assignment, it's a part of the Excel assignment that, okay, you have to find out the VLOOKUP, the last name. They're going to give you the student number or something like that on the Excel sheet, and you have to find out it. So that's how you have to find out the VLOOKUP function. I hope you guys liked the tutorial today, and don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We are gonna come back again with a lot of more tutorial with very concise, very small, and very short type of tutorial. So you guys can understand the Excel very well, step by step. Keep practicing the Excel, and you guys will learn a lot and will be successful on your